Hello guys, welcome back to your Spanish class. I'm Laura Oliva from Mexico and I'll be your Spanish teacher. Comenzamos. Today we'll talk about verb to be. If you've been studying Spanish for a while, surely you've realized that we use two different verbs for verb to be. Nosotros usamos verbo ser y verbo estar. A lot of my students feel a little confused about these couple of verbs. For that reason, I will try to explain you clearly the difference between them and when you have to use one, ser, and when you have to use the other one, estar. The basic difference is the way of thinking. This will be our mantra today. The secret is the way of thinking. You got it, dudes? Here we go. Let's get started with verbo ser. And I will give you specific points with the purpose to make easier this lesson for you, okay? Number 1. Identify. He is my brother. Él es mi hermano. This is my favorite band. Esta es mi banda favorita. That is my cat. And that is not my house. True story. Ese es mi gato. Y esa no es mi casa. Number 2. Nationality. I'm from Mexico. I am Mexican. Yo soy mexicana. Yo soy de México. They are from the USA. Ellos son de los Estados Unidos. Ellos son estadounidenses. Where are you from, guys? Write me in the comments. Number 3. Personal characteristics. My kids are the smartest. Mis niños, mis chicos, son los más inteligentes. Thank you so much, you're a gentleman. Gracias, tú eres un caballero. Number 4. Professions. My father is a doctor and he's an artist too. Mi padre es doctor y es un artista también. I am a teacher. Yo soy una maestra. Shut up, be careful, they are lawyers. Alerta, ellos son abogados. Shh. Ojo. And number 5, time and date. Today is May 19th. Hoy es mayo 19. Hoy es 19 de mayo. Yesterday it was Monday. Ayer fue lunes. Oh, it's summertime again. How much time we've been locked up? Es verano de nuevo. ¿Cuánto tiempo hemos estado encerrados? ¿Cuánto tiempo más? Dios, ¿cuánto? Okay, and let's move with verbo estar. Verbo estar is used to indicate temporary events. Number 1. We use it for locations, people, places, and things. I am in the bar. Yo estoy en el bar. The theater is next to the gallery. El teatro está junto a la galería. It's also used to indicate locations into a map. This is Mexico. Here is Mexico. Number 2. Moods. I have to go to visit my best friend because she's a little sad. I mean, she has been a little sad. And this is really important point because in this case, if I change the verb, if I say, mi amiga es triste, that means that she's a sad lady. Diferente a si yo digo mi amiga está triste, which means that she is sad or she has been a little sad because something bad happened to her. It's temporary. This is often with moods, so be careful. We will check more examples later. in the second part of this video. So continue watching. And oh yeah, I have to open a parenthesis here for the special cases, because you know that there is something in the middle. The first special case is verbo estar plus adjective. This is used to show the final result or the result of a process or an action. I went to the store, but it was closed yet. Fui a la tienda, pero estaba cerrada ya. And this is connected also with another big topic of Spanish, which is the past tense, pretérito y copretérito. But that's topic for a different video, guys. The second special case is verbo estar plus gerund. I commented this before in the last video, but I will repeat it. We are learning. Nosotros estamos aprendiendo. I'm reading books in Spanish. Yo estoy leyendo libros en español. In this case, this is used to create the progressive times. The thing that I didn't tell you about it is that we use it always when we're talking about the weather. It's raining. Está lloviendo. It's snowing. Está nevando. Oh, it's hot in here. Está haciendo calor aquí. And the last special case is verbo estar with preposition de. In this case, it suggests a temporary job. Yo estoy de mesera. That means that I'm working as a waiter, in my case a waitress. Él está de Uber, which means that he is working as a Uber driver, but he's a different thing. It's not his profession. You can use verbo ser y estar without changing the meaning, but be careful because this is not true for all the cases. A la pregunta ¿dónde está Ciudad de México? La respuesta puede ser Ciudad de México está en el centro del país, pero también Ciudad de México es en el centro del país. Mi casa está en la calle Madero. Mi casa es en la calle Madero. Why? Thinking this way, we're talking about location, and move a school, place, mall, city sounds like really trouble work, you know? So for that reason, in our minds, we think like something is permanent. Hardly it will change. That's the reason. And sometimes the use of verbo ser y verbo estar really modify the meaning. Si yo digo, yo estoy feliz, that means that I'm temporarily happy. Diferente a si yo digo, yo soy feliz, which means I'm in peace with my life, I'm really happy with my life. Si yo te pregunto, ¿estás listo? Are you ready? Es diferente a si yo te pregunto, ¿eres listo? Are you smart? If you want to know more cases like this, please continue watching the second part of this video. Significados que cambian con el uso del verbo ser y el verbo estar. Class is not over, guys. See you there.